Gorahi, the capital of Dan district in Nepal's mid-western hills, serve as a key regional hub for commerce and travel. Whether you are passing through for business or exploring the region's natural beauty, Gorahi's hotel provide comfort, accessibility, and warmth. The first one is Hotel Malayan PVT Ltd. Hotel Malayan stand out for balancing affordability with key convenience. Guests appreciate the well-maintained rooms and the ease of the checking in. The on-site restaurant and bar offer basic dining, perfect for travelers not wanting to went too far for meals. Its central location make it simple to reach local attractions, shops, and transportation hubs. Friendly and efficient service rounds out its appeal as a reliable mid-range option. The second one is Lumbini Green Hotel. Lumbini Green Hotel introduces a tranquil touch to city stays, offering an outdoor pool that provides a refreshing retreat in warm weather. The lawns and garden area around the property create a relaxing environment ideal after a day of exploring. Guests enjoy complimentary Wi-Fi in public area and convenient parking option. It's a great pick for families and their travelers seeking both comfort and a semi-resort feel. The third one is Hotel SS Dream PVT Ltd. Hotel SS Dream brings charm with its air-conditioned rooms that remain budget-friendly. The hotel welcomes pets and provide parking, making the stay easy and flexible for various travelers. Guests mention the sense of peace in its decor and the property layout. Cleanliness and practicality are the highlights here, perfect for short stays or those wanting simple functional rooms close to the town center. The fourth one is Hotel Annapurna. Annapurna Hotel offers basic but sincere hospitality with comfortable rooms and straightforward amenities. Guests value the practical layout and brilliantly quiet corridors. The staff are welcoming and always ready to assist with local directions or accommodations. Ideal for visitors looking for a no-frill stays that covers the essentials without stretching the budget. The fifth one is Hotel Doko. Hotel Doko is a modest property known for its casual and relaxed atmosphere. Guests like the easygoing vibe and the approachable staff who offer local views and hospitality. Rooms provide necessary comfort like reliable beds and simple furnishings. Located on the main road, it's an excellent choice for travelers who appreciate accessibility paired with a homely feel. The next one is Sunrise Hotel and Lodge. Sunrise Hotel and Lodge includes multiple dining spaces, making it convenient for meals any time of the day. The presence of a coffee shop adds to the overall comfort and casual charm. Free parking and easy access to transit make it a practical base for both family visits and transit stays. It's a solid option when you are looking for simple lodging with meal flexibility. The next one is Srijana Farm. Set amidst Gorahi's natural surroundings, Srijana Farm offers a refreshing break from the city bustle. The lodge provides cozy rooms with garden views, infusing rural calm into a city travel. Guest highlights the sense of escape, friendly staff, and the soothing ambience. Ideal for travelers seeking green spaces and a retreat-like experience even during a short stay. The next one is Pickle Trip. While not a hotel itself, Pickle Trip lists comfortable, family-friendly lounging in and around Gorahi with clean interiors and useful amenities like free Wi-Fi and parking. These locally operated properties offer a cozy home away from home, often with personalized service and quiet surroundings. The second last is Salty West End Premier. Thought technically outside Gorahi, Salty West End Premier offer a high-end stays with spacious rooms, elegant decor, and polished service. It's a perfect for guests willing to travel a bit further in exchange for upscale amenities, such as refined dining and a tranquil ambience suited to longer stays or business trips. The last one is Lumbini Hotel Hawk. Another nearby gym, Lumbini Hotel Hawk combines regional hospitality with modern comfort. Guests enjoy the balance of well-kept rooms, professional service, and proximity while still feeling disconnected from busy city life. A practical pick for both business and leisure travelers looking for comfort at a slightly higher price. Gorai may be off the beaten path, but its hotel offers weave together comfort, functionality, and local flair. Whether you are staying for business, transit, or leisure, you will find accommodation that fit the bill, from modest guest houses to plantation-style retreats and upscale options just beyond the